All right, for this demo, I want to show you how to create a work order for Principalm to get pictures updated. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by going to the internet, and here it is. And you're going to go to the Medford School District website. Once you're there, you'll click in, and then you'll click on the staff page, where you can go down to MSD Work Order Systems. Once you click there, you're going to click on this link right here. And then you're going to go to the request catalog. So you'll go up to the arrow here. You're going to go to NTS, ITS problems and requests. And then it brings you to this page. You don't have to put the location. You don't have to click this box. Really, the important ones are you're going to go to subcategory, and you're going to go to software other. And then you're going to click down the item, and then you're going to go all the way down to Principalm. Right there. Once you're there, you're going to say update student ID photos, or however you want to say it. And then you just write the request here. We would like to request that the student ID photos be updated in Principalm. Once you do that, you can select the priority. If this is high priority, click high, and then just click add request. So once you click add request, there's going to be a funky little box right here. Then you'll say submit my request. And that's all you need to do. And that should submit the work order. It'll send you a confirmation email, and you should be good to go. Thanks.